Is CapCut going to be banned in the future? While that's up for a debate, let's dive into an alternative, Filmora 14. This makes blurring faces super easy. Video in the timeline. Go to the effect on the top left of the software. Click on Body Effect. Click on Face Mosaic. Drag AI Classic Mosaic on the video in the timeline. Go to the right side of the software and click on Effects. You can turn off and on each person in the video. Super easy. You can also adjust the strength, feather, and opacity at the same time. This is really great for music videos and podcasts. These are music videos in the Project Media section. Select all the videos and right-click on it. Select Create Multi-Camera Clip. Rename it and select OK. The software will sync the videos and create one video file. Now click on the video and go to the top. Click on Switch Multi-Camera View. Play the music and click on the angle you want it to show in the timeline. This will automatically make a cut in the timeline. If you want to make changes, click on the file in the timeline and select a new angle, and that will automatically switch to that angle. This allows you to automatically adjust the aspect ratio of your video to fit other social media like Instagram and TikTok. Right-click on the media file in the Project Media section and select Auto Reframe. On the pop-up window, you will find all the aspect ratio you can change and set into. We can go with 9:16 since we're going to post on TikTok. Now you can turn on the adjust frame and use the on-screen control to move the box to follow the subject you want to place in the middle. Once done, click on OK and export. This will export your video to your computer. This makes it super easy to create effects like putting text behind your subject, just like this. Video in the timeline. Make a duplicate of the video by pressing Option or Alt and dragging upwards. Click on the down video and press E to disable it. Now click on the top video. Go to the right side and turn on AI Portrait Cutouts under the video section. This will cut out the subject in your video. Now click on the down video and press E to enable it. Go to Titles, drag in the middle of the two videos in the timeline. Now you can be creative and add extra touch to it. You can add animation to the text in the timeline. Now in Filmora 14, you can access the keyframe animation right in the timeline. And for us to see keyframe animation, we need to drop some keyframes in the media file in the timeline. Take your playhead to somewhere in the timeline, drop first keyframe on transform. Now go few frames ahead and drop second keyframe on transform. You can now increase the size or position of the video. Now right-click and select Show Keyframe Animation. You can change from linear to smooth curve. Comment down below if you love to see video on keyframe animation curves. This feature makes it easier to export high-quality videos in smaller file sizes. This helps a lot in sharing and storing files. On the export window page, turn on advanced compression and select the percentage of the quality. I would advise going somewhere 70% and above. This is a billboard in town and I want to replace that with an image. Pretty simple with Filmora 14. Take the player to the first frame of the video, click on that video. Go to the right side and click on AI Tools. Turn on Planar Tracking. Select Advanced and High Accuracy. Use the 4 pins on the edges of the billboard. Click on Track Forward to track the billboard forward. Bring in the image you want to use. Click on the video and select the image from the Link Element section. Now adjust the parameters of the image to fit nicely on the billboard. This helps remove unwanted grain and noise from your footage. This is a video shot in a low light condition with lots of noise. Click on the video, go to the right side, click on AI Tools. Now turn on Video Denoise. Start with weak or normal. Strong will soften the video look a lot unless that's the look you're going for. Now with just one click, you can enhance the quality of your old videos and your WhatsApp terrible videos. This was a video sent to me by a friend on WhatsApp, and we all know how WhatsApp destroys video quality. Click on the video, go to the right side and click on AI Video Enhancer. Click on Generate to generate high-quality videos instantly. Now you can look at the before and after of the effect. This cleans up your audio like magic. This is a video of me recording indoors with heating system turned on.
Alright guys, don't forget to hit the like and also subscribe.
Click on the video, go to the right side and click on audio. Scroll down and turn on AI voice enhancer. You can adjust the voice clarity. Now listen to the difference.
Alright guys, don't forget to hit the like and also subscribe.
This allows you to generate sound effects from a prompt. Go to the audio section on the left, click on AI sound effects. Type in your prompt and hit on Generate. This will generate 3 options to choose from. Now take a good listen to it. This makes it easier to recreate the looks from your favorite movies. Drag and drop the video in the timeline. Go to color on the right side of the software. Scroll down and turn on AI color palette. Click on the plus icon. You can choose the reference image from the timeline or your local file. Now click on Generate and adjust the strength. You can save the color palette later for future use. There you go guys. To try your hands on Filmora, you can check on the link in the description. Catch you in the next one. Peace.